Hello, all. Welcome to Distract channel. So today we discuss topic about that how to create Google My Business. So what is a Google My Business thing? But is it called Google Maps? In Google Maps, how we can create and how we can show your business into the Google persons. That is the URL will be called business.google.com. In this URL, how many maps you can create? We can create n number of maps. So we can create group of maps, one map, two maps will be given by the multiple maps will be created by here. Each map we can create by your profile, everything will be given by the particular my website traffic report. That is called website insight. What is my monthly traffic, yearly traffic, weekly traffic, everything you can check from here. It's a complete for weekly and monthly traffic. How many people will be click, how many calls will be getting, anything information that is showing for your Google My Business option. How to create? First of all, selecting add business, select all here, single business, JE Academy, Hyderabad. Business category, education or training center. This is the JE Academy, Hyderabad Training Center. Click for next. Do you want add location customer can visit like a shop or office? Yes. The physical location will be yes. Click first option. What is exact address? Address is a compulsory important will be users will be created here. We have two address, only one will be mentioned. So Amit page. So, state. Compulsory, you don't forget the state. I'm adding address exact here. What are the space you can done? Click for here. Click for next. Do you provide deliver our home or at office visits? Yes. If you have anyone people visit your office, you can click for yes option. Next. What are the areas will be promoting in your particular areas will be promoting more options? Yes, Nagar. What are the near location? You can add here. So this is all location I'm adding for here. So we can add the all location. These are the my service areas. So how many service areas we can add it? We can add by up to 20 service areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm adding. Remaining 6 will be pending. How many service area? So what are the nearby your service area we can add it? Suppose you are in Madhapur, we can add by nearby service areas. You add by the multiple option will given by the particular option. Click for next. Add your contact phone number. What is exactly your phone number? This is a JEE Academy. They're providing for particular courses. There's a IIT, JEE, NEET, MSET, Intertuitions, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, and Geology. So website URL. We can creating what are the website URL we can create here. Click for the in this option. Click for next. So one people are question will be asking for some people. So can I without website can I create the Google Maps? Yes, will be create. I don't have a website. The Google Map will be providing for certain website for the free. You can show to the customers. But you have blog is there. You can use the blog option. Next. Any certain condition is not covered, they can go to here. So right now we have to verify this particular option in a particular phone number. So I'll click for here. We can go to verification purpose. And give the text here. We can go to the verification call. Give me the particular seconds. So guys, after receive this code, so which phone number I'm sending the code here? Just I'm enter the 6 digits code will be here. Receive from the Google code. So I'm enter, click for verify. So it is going to the verify your business. Now it is verify JE Academy, Hyderabad. Now click for next. So what are your timings? You can selecting will be here. So what are the timings you can select? I'm selecting the timings here. So after adding the timings, you want to change any timing, you can change any time, will be any time. There's no particular, so we can change only one time, you can change only 2 times, not like that. You can change your particular timings, anytime will be possible. Click for next. It is asking for your particular acceptance. There's nothing but it will be activate messenger. So anyone we can, people will be custom messenger will be, hi, I'm looking for your course, how much charge, but all message will receive from here, accepting message option. Click for next. Here, what are the content you're preparing here? So the all will be, you can add the particular things. So it is click for next. Add your particular photographs. So in a for a particular photograph, adding for 2 or 3 photographs, compulsory mandatory field. So what are your feed this all options? You can add your particular photograph also. Now click for next. If you want anything, we'll be promoting here. To easy advertise in your minute, there's a click for start now. I'm not going to any advertise. Click for skip option. Your business profile is almost ready. Click for continue. It will be ready for your business. Now we can click for information. What is the insight? Everything will be done. So this will be verified with your phone number option. So within 3 working days, the map list will be successful, be verified your particular option. Once you're done will be this option. So what are the category you are missing? You can add by here. Education center, a JEE related anything is there. Nothing will be here. IIT, no will be here. So we can add by the training center and education center will adding for 2 category will be in my particular option. So once it is approved, your phone number, everything approved, you can start your posting for daily in the particular option. Select here, what is the new post? Any each particular post option, don't forget, we can add your contact details on your particular post option. So it is a posting will be here. So in this, you can add your blog URL or phone number as your book. You can call option. When you approve your business, you can go to call option. Now click for publish. Before publish this post, we can resize your image will be here. Each image when you're posting time, you can add your phone number is must and should important. What are the posts you've done? Everything will be here is the photos will be updated by logo and cover image. Cover image, we can add it here. So which image you can design that you can add your cover image compass important. When is this logo will be there, add the logo also will be compulsory important. So I don't have right now logo. My banner is the logo. I can add by in this. The logo is called your brand identity. Covering nothing but what are the content you mention here. That all will be in your particular option. So this is a particular procedure we can create by the Google My Business. In a Google My Business, we can promote your offers and postings. Sales will be done. Lot of questions will be there. Once you verified, we can give to the search option will be given. Here will be posted. Info, when it is verified, here they can show to the customers. Share link will be available here. So right now is not verified. I can show one map. After verify this map, the show to customers will be here. In a post option, what are the posts you have done? They can easily share here, view post in search. So these are all option. Here is the share post. You can copy the URL. If you open incognito window, people easily open your particular post option along with the latest post. That easily we can go to the customers, click for post option, they go to your website. The Google My Business mainly focused by the traffic. You can share in this post in Facebook and Twitter also. So this all will be compulsory important for the users will be creating for the posting purpose. So any particular doubts, if you like sharing any link about the Google My Business, that all will be given by the option name is info. That is we can show to the customer, share your business profile, Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. When it is approval your Google Map, they will show this share your business profile option. The location has updated any information. They will be give any kind of this information. Please click the accept all information this page. Any page unquality, anything. So that is all will be, you can click the one information. What are the this kind of issues we can resolve by the immediately will be sort out the issues here. So this all will be nothing but Google My Business compulsory important to verify this procedure. You can check any profile, anything. There is a see your profile option. So any query about the Google My Business, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. How we can activate the Google My Business and how we can procedure will be there, regular posting. That all will be important on the Google My Business option. So this is done Google My Business for JEE Academy for particular things. So right now procedure will be going on process. It will be done exactly 3 days time will be taken. Once it's done, it is going to verified mode on your particular option. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.